3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
We choose to go to the moon.
I'm Kirsten. I'm Abby. And I'm Ashley. And we're the Giggle Bytes. I think it'd be cool to go to the moon. I want to go to the moon.
Guys, we need to learn a lot more before we go to the moon.
Well, yeah. I'm a geologist. Let's go talk to Mr. Bill. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'd be happy to. My name is Bill, and I'm a geologist.
Why would we want to study rocks?
Why would we want to study new rocks? Well, good question. We want to study them, and we have studied them to find out if the rocks on the moon are similar or different to the rocks on the Earth.
What different kinds of rocks are on the moon?
All the rocks on the moon are igneous rocks, which means they were at one time molten. They were liquid.
Can you please introduce yourself?
So I'm James Klepp. I'm one of the flight directors here at Challenger Learning Center.
Why should we go back to the moon for good?
Why do we want to go back to the moon? All right, because the moon is a lot smaller. It's a lot less dense. There's a lot less gravity. So it's a lot easier to send something from the moon into orbit than to, say, on the surface of the Earth into orbit. It's a lot easier to do that. Plus, there's a lot of iron that we can get off the moon, as well as helium-3. And helium-3 is kind of important because we want to do something called fusion. All right. It's basically what we do is we take helium-3, all right? These are atoms. These are not the Earth now, okay? These are atoms. And we smash them together, all right? Now, in theory, if all goes well, what will happen is that will make another form of helium, and that will release energy. So if we get a bunch of helium-3, we can produce a lot of electricity. That's why we want to go back to the moon. And it's cool. Have you ever been to the moon? Do you want to go to the moon? Yeah, me too. All right, let's go to the moon, guys.
We appreciate the opportunity to participate in this program and would be proud to represent Alaska and the United States in the competition with our international friends.
We enjoy robotics and hope for the opportunity to show you what we can do with our experience and new ideas in Phase 2.
We know we aren't ready to go to the moon yet, but by the time we are able to, we hope to create new tools to make us successful.
With help from our mentors
And programs such as Moonbots,
we will continue to come up with new ideas and innovations
to provide greater opportunities for our future. And we're the Giggle Bytes!
We copy you down, Eagle. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.